Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and welcome to our channel today. I appreciate y'all being here. And if you're new to the channel, if you're finding us for that very first time, welcome as well. It's good to have you here. And as a quick reminder to all, my focus, my mission here on the channel is I want to be able to provide as much information as I can to as many people as I can, across all regions. And the best way I can do that is when you choose to subscribe to the channel, when you choose to like the videos, and when you choose to, share the information with friends and associates and colleagues. And so if you've not yet done so, please hit that subscribe button, please hit that like button, please share the video. And then to learn more about me, learn more about my company, and additional ways you can support the channel, please check those links below. And one of the links I would point you to is the high impact digital marketing link on ways to drive more traffic, and that's kind of the central focus of our topic here today. And we're going to talk about 4 signs that it's time to hire a lead generation company. And this is something we can help you with, but 4 signs it's time to hire a lead generation company. And so decide where you're at. Decide where you're at with this. And so number 1, is it time to hire a company to generate leads for you? Number 1, your membership sales have dipped and your overall traffic is down. So look at what's happening. Okay, are membership sales going down? Is your overall traffic down? The thing you have to remember here, and this is crucial, okay, we kind of know it. We don't want to know it too late, right? But sales is the oxygen to your business. Sales is the oxygen to your business. And what happens if your business isn't getting oxygen? Same thing if you're not getting oxygen. It's not good, right? And so we have to make sure that we're driving sales. So if your membership sales are going down, or you can kind of see it and feel it, or if your overall traffic is down, consider hiring a lead generation company. I mean, one of the big focuses, I kind of, jokingly say when I say it, we need to get the door to swing, the phone to ring, the email to ding, and the text to ping. Also, we can get the cash register to ding, right? As a client had shared with me at one time. And so we need traffic flow. We need to drive traffic. And if I could give one job description of every owner, this is your number 1 responsibility, is make sure we got people walking in that front door. Because if your goal, let's just say you want to do 100 sales a month. Well, the easiest and simplest way to do that is get 200 people to walk in the front door. That's what it is. Okay, so number 2 on my list, okay, on 4 signs it's time to hire a lead generation company. You feel that you've plateaued. It's just you've done well, you've done good, but now it's stopped. It's really not growing. Or maybe your attrition is high enough that it's kind of, this has become a little more stagnant. Okay, because the thing is, you're either getting better or you're getting worse. You have to continue to grow, not only for the sake of the business, but also for the sake of your staff. You'll start to have some turnover in staff there if you're not careful. Okay, but if you feel like you've plateaued, you've kind of taken it as far as you can go. You've kind of extracted from the audience what you're able to extract. Number 3, see this one a bit. You find yourself chasing unqualified leads. Maybe you're getting leads, but you're not getting the qualified leads that you need. Okay, whether it be from referrals or former members, it's just not quite happening for you. You're getting more unqualified leads, because what happens when you start chasing unqualified leads? Now your sales staff doesn't want to call them back. Okay, now you're not getting that outbound call, and as a result, even if there's good ones in there, you're not going to get them either. So if you're chasing unqualified leads, it's another sign that you probably need to get some help with a lead generation company. And then number 4 of the 4 signs it's time to hire a lead generation company, your sales team is spending less time selling. You want your sales guys selling. Okay, here's the first question. I know when we go in and we do a sales training, and we'll say this: you want to be able to answer yes to this question. Is what I'm doing right now going to result in a sale? We want to be selling. That's what salespeople do. Okay, and the more you can keep them in front of prospects, the more you can keep them in front of people. I mean, I've seen over the years, like really good salespeople that are doing 100 sales a month or doing more than that. Sometimes they'll just hire a person to make all their outbound calls for them and just to book appointments, so they can just keep doing what they do best. Well, consider this as the same thing. You hire a lead generation company, you've got a good sales team, or we can even help you train them up if you don't, but keep them selling, keep them in front of people. Salespeople want to sell. So if you find that your sales team is doing things that are not selling related, you need a lead generation company. Okay, this is something we can help you with. Check the link below, high impact digital marketing. You can go to our website. You can see more information there at fmconsulting.net. But start driving more traffic. This is the secret. You get more people in your gym, you're going to make more sales. And when you make these sales, now we're going to get a second sale, i.e. the maybe personal training. We're going to sell retail. We're going to get recurring fees. Also, when you look at this, why is this so important? Start thinking about the lifetime value of your customer. Okay, what is the lifetime value? When a member joins, maybe on average they stay for 12 months. Maybe on average you're charging, say you're charging $100 a month. Okay, use whatever number you have, right? That's $1,200. They bring in a friend that joins. Now that's $2,400. They bring in a spouse that joins. Now it's $3,600. They buy some personal training. Now it jumps to $5,600. They buy some retail. Now it's at $6,000. What's the value of that customer? The value of that customer could be $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000. Get a lead generation company. Get people coming in. Let's keep our salespeople selling. Check the link below. Go to our website, fmconsulting.net. We can help you with this. Okay, this can be the thing that truly makes a difference for you. So, folks, my name is Jim Thomas. My company's Fitness Management and Consulting. Appreciate you being here at the channel today. And as I mentioned earlier, my big focus here in the channel, my mission here in the channel, if you will, is I want to be able to provide as much information as I can to as many people as I possibly can across all regions. And the best way I can do that, really what allows me to do that, is when you choose to subscribe to the channel, when you choose to like the videos, and when you choose to share the information with friends, associates, and colleagues. So if you've not yet done so, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button. And again, for additional ways that you can learn more about me and my company, additional ways you can support the channel, check out those links below. And we'll look forward to seeing you all in that next video.